say hi? Sunshine. Can I put your GPS? You'll be okay? Can I get a say hobby? Oh, hobby. Hobby. Okay. Okay, your hobby. Ah. Go, Sunshine! Woo! Woo! I know you're a bird. You're supposed to do that, all right? Not so often. Don't mess with the GPS. Sunshine. Okay, Sunshine. All right, Sunshine. You know what I do when she does that? I will show you guys what I do. Okay, this is called jealousies. Yeah. 2, 3, go! So, guys, it's very interesting how Sunshine works with jealousy. In the beginning, I used jealousy with crystal. Every time I was flying Sunshine at park, I was using crystal. Woo! And then, after we started using Vicky, that's the kind I do. You know, if she goes in a tree, it's okay. I don't say no, but I don't motivate her to be on the tree. So I kind of try to use Vicky, so she comes back to me. Oh, yeah, good girl. Posso tirar o rabinho? Eu vou tirar o rabinho. Bom, não precisa mais do GPS. Posso tirar o rabinho. How easy is that, guys? Now you're gonna get a big tree. Yes, girl. You wanna come inside? Let's come inside. Yeah. Good girl. What a good girl, guys. Wow. So, look. She already know what I'm doing. What I do, I get slices almond, guys, okay? Please don't give a full treat to your parent. It's too easy for them. And in the wild, what they do, they have to chase, they have to look for the food. So, look, she's gonna be busy right now, looking for her treats, and then she will play with the toys. So that's called foraging. So I keep a lot of wood, papers, everything here. So now she's gonna dive it in. Watch that. Let me turn that on. She's gonna dive it in, and she will play with her toys. This is such a good thing for your bird to do, guys. Look the exercise that she's starting to do. Aiko, if you guys watch my videos from the beginning, Aiko could not do those things. Look at her balancing now. If you like the videos that I'm posting, if you like this content and want to see more, just please comment below and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit the bell and keep in touch because we're gonna be posting new videos and show you guys a little bit about what I do to, you know, what I do to make the life of my parrots easy, healthy, fun, and enjoyable. So I hope you guys enjoy your videos and subscribe to the channel. Again, bye.